This is Vinicunca, Peru's Rainbow Mountain, a top destination for many travelers. But this site was hidden under snow and ice until just a few years ago. Its recent appearance is a stark sign of a changing planet, showing a masterpiece millions of years in the making. This is a story of incredible beauty, immense personal challenge, and a critical modern dilemma. We will show the science of its colors, the extreme test of reaching the top, its sacred meaning, and how to visit it responsibly. The spectacle is not paint, it is geology. Each color is a distinct layer of mineral sediment. Pink tones come from red clay and mudstone. The white stripes are from sandstone and limestone. The deep reds are from clays rich in iron, while the green hues come from copper oxides. To see these colors at their most vibrant, timing is everything. The dry season, from April to November, offers the best chance for clear skies. So you know what creates the colors and when to go, but are you ready for what it takes to get there? The hike to the viewpoint is difficult not because of distance, but because of extreme altitude. You will be trekking at 5036 meters, or over 16,522 feet. At this elevation, the air has significantly less oxygen, putting immense strain on your body. This is not about fitness. It can affect anyone. Symptoms range from headache and dizziness to severe nausea and shortness of breath. Ignoring them can be dangerous and will ruin your trip. So how do you fight it? The answer is acclimatization. Your body needs time to adjust, which is why spending 2 to 3 days in Cusco before the hike is non-negotiable. During this period, drink lots of water, avoid alcohol, and eat light, high-energy meals. Locals often use coca tea, which can help alleviate mild symptoms. Beyond altitude, the weather here is famously volatile. Sun, wind, rain, and even snow can happen in one day, which is why dressing in layers is mandatory. But the physical trial is only half the story. In a moment, you will see why this mountain is more than just a beautiful formation to the people who live in its shadow. For centuries, before it was a tourist hotspot, Vinicunca was, and still is, a sacred place. To the local Andean communities, this is a deity, an Apu. This belief has deep roots in Incan culture, where mountains were respected as powerful spirits that control weather, water, and fertility. Today, you can still see this reverence. Locals make offerings of coca leaves and perform ceremonies to honor the Apu and ask for its blessing. We have seen its beauty, its challenge, and its sacredness. But what happens when thousands of visitors arrive each day at the foot of a deity? Recall how the mountain was revealed by melting ice? That same fragility applies to its newly exposed surface. The boom in tourism has created new problems. The sheer volume of foot traffic is causing significant soil erosion, scarring the ground. Littering also threatens the very beauty people come to see. In response, authorities are implementing sustainable practices. This includes constructing proper pathways and trying to control visitor flow to minimize damage. Part of the solution is spreading the load. Fewer people know that there are other, less crowded rainbow mountains in the region, like Palcoyo. This raises a direct question for any potential visitor. How can you be part of the solution, not the problem? It starts by reframing the trek. The immense physical challenge we discussed isn't just an obstacle. It's a filter that demands respect and preparation. Understanding its cultural significance as a sacred Apu transforms the trip into a visit to a place of worship. This demands a higher level of conduct. So, to visit responsibly, first, acclimatize in Cusco for at least 2 to 3 days. Second, hydrate constantly and eat lightly. Third, dress in multiple layers for unpredictable weather. And finally, hire reputable local tour operators and consider visiting in the shoulder season or seeing alternatives like Palcoyo. A day trip to Rainbow Mountain is an unforgettable experience. It is a chance to witness a rare natural wonder and connect with a deep, ancient culture. But it is a trek that demands as much from you as it gives. It asks for your physical preparation, your environmental consciousness, and your cultural respect. So if you choose to go, go prepared. Go thoughtfully. Be a traveler that the Apu would welcome. Because the future of this sacred, fragile masterpiece depends on the choices we make today.